talk about his dream.
Yeah, basically, just
narrate this dream. Narrate this dream. Just tell us the dream he's dreaming.
Because this is Bet9ja, the information can help you become powerful.
Okay, so I don't know, but what I thought in my head, because I said this was dream, but we can ironize it and just say, you know, money does not grow on trees.
Knowing where you come from
And then
knowing your heritage keeps you rooted. Yeah, keeps you rooted.
Keeps you rooted.
Yeah, you have a man staring at his reflection in the mirror. This is the man. He has a lot of information. You can tell he has experienced a lot of things. Gains. You have the Naira currency, you have different currency around him. At his back, sorry. So he's staring at his reflection in the mirror and he sees what? A strong, macho, chiseled man like Boma.
So for us to play better, we need to have all these things. Imagination, the key, strategy, heritage, and Africa, our motherland. Ladies and gentlemen, Bet9ja, play better. Thank you.
When you dream, you have to come up with the ideas. This is a representation of the streams of ideas that comes into your mind. Segun has ideas. Segun is thinking betting. Segun is thinking something that involves money.
Betting responsibly is the best way that you can actually have your sanity, still dream for a future like different teams have, you know, living better, dreaming for the best. So Bet9ja helps us all to actually achieve all of that. Thank you.